Instagram has over 1 billion users and approximately 85% of Instagram's users post stories daily. Instagram Stories is the most used feature within the platform and presents a very unique opportunity for your brand to engage with a larger audience, promote your new products, and increase your brand's awareness. So if you're not using this feature as part of your brand's social media strategy, you're potentially missing out on a wonderful opportunity. But we understand that creating awesome IG stories from scratch is a daunting task, especially if you have to do it consistently. So we went ahead and created this video to showcase the 7 most engaging Instagram story ideas for your brand. If you're super new to design, stick till the end to see all the story ideas and use them for your own brand. We have shown you the easiest way of creating these stories for Instagram. Without any further delay, let's jump right into it. Hey makers, I'm Jack, the content marketer at Picmaker. When it comes to modern day visual storytelling, Instagram still reigns as supreme. In this video, we share 7 cool Instagram story ideas to help your profile stand out. This includes this or that Instagram story templates, motivational quote templates, client reviews and testimonials, sales and discount templates, poll or quiz templates, ask a question template, and finally, bingo templates. If you wish to skip to any specific part of the video, please to use the timestamps in the description below. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our awesome videos. Let's dive in. Before you create your own Instagram story template, you need to know the perfect dimensions for it. The recommended size for your Instagram stories are 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. For best results, your Instagram story should have an aspect ratio of 9:16. With that basic info out of the way, let's look at the Instagram story templates. When it comes to this or that Instagram story template, the options are virtually endless. These templates are a great way to help you understand your audience better and vice versa. This is essentially a virtual version of a get to know you game that the whole world can join in on. It's a glimpse into who you are and the perfect chance to have a bit of fun with your followers. This or that Instagram story templates pit a series of different choices against each other and urges your followers to pick from them. To get the highest amount of engagement, we recommend placing a blank template in your story and asking your followers to fill out their own version. You can then ask your followers to add it to their stories and tag you in it so you can see their answers. You can use this as an opportunity to start building relationships with your followers based on their answers. If you find something really interesting, you can also send them a direct message and start a conversation relating to it. Who love a motivational or inspirational quote? I personally love quotes because they are shareable and can garner a lot of engagement. Quotes can be of many types like motivational, inspirational, funny, or even related to your business. You can always search the web for quote ideas. Once you find something that fits your brand, note it down in a digital or physical notebook. When it comes to Instagram story ideas, quotes are a no-brainer to share from time to time. You can easily create and share a quote from a leader or influencer in your industry. Share a funny quote that your audience will relate to, or even share a quote from you or your team. Quotes can be a great way to keep your account active when you might not have anything to say. Sharing testimonials or reviews of your product is an excellent way to build trust and goodwill for your business. Great testimonials and reviews convey that your business, products, or even services are genuinely awesome. But why is this important? Because people want to buy from or work with businesses which are great and trustworthy. Whether it's screenshots of reviews, snippets of emails with kind words, or even video testimonials, share them on your Instagram story. Share testimonials from your current clients or customers. Ask your clients to share a win or benefit they've had from your product or service. You can also ask your customers for video testimonials and share them on your story. A word of caution though, it's always better to ask your customers permission before you share their reviews and testimonials on your social media channels. Promoting your product or service through Instagram stories is a great way to convert your followers into customers. It allows you to market to your existing followers without having to shell out cash for ads. Since each story only lasts for 24 hours by default, it's a great place to make announcements about offers for a very limited time. By announcing all your sweet deals on your Instagram stories, you can increase your follower count significantly. But how, you ask? Because people don't want to miss out on offers they cannot get anywhere else. So if you agree with us, go ahead and share your discounts and offers on your Instagram stories today. Like this are the templates. Polls are another way to understand your followers and have some light-hearted fun with them. Instagram has a series of engaging story stickers that you can use to hold polls or quizzes. You can also add a photo or video with a quiz sticker and it instantly becomes a standalone post. Here are some Instagram story ideas for quizzes and polls. Ask your audience a fun question to test their knowledge on a related subject. Use a quiz or poll to get feedback on a product or idea. Ask people to rate something in a fun way. Try out these poll or quiz templates to get high engagement rates on your next Instagram story. And thank us later. Asking questions is one of the best ways to engage with your followers on Instagram. Increase your engagement by asking your audience questions that relate to your business. It becomes way easier if you use the pre-built Instagram question stickers along with the templates. This way, your audience can interact with your Instagram story and you can solidify your brand as an authority in your industry. Asking questions is also a great way to get tons of content and business ideas. It's a win-win for both you and your followers. Bingo boards are the latest in an array of viral Instagram trends. Instagram bingo templates are a fun way to help your audience relive their memories. A custom bingo template can be a great way to engage your audience and get exposure for your account through virality. Your followers can use the shared bingo template images based for their Instagram story, then tick off each item while trying to form bingo. They can also tag their friends and challenge them to post the board on their story. By adding your brand mentions, you can bring back more people to your profile and increase your followers. So that wraps up the 7 engaging Instagram story ideas. But the key to having a successful Instagram account is consistently posting high quality Instagram stories. But how do you do it consistently without burning out? Let me introduce you to Picmaker, a free DIY graphic design tool. Picmaker gives you access to tons of free design templates, which also includes the top 7 engaging templates we have mentioned above. Use our free templates and create wow-worthy stories in minutes, not hours. You have a dedicated brand kit that allows you to store your color palette, logos, brand images, and fonts all in one place. There's also a handy collaboration feature that allows you to share your designs with your teammates before going live. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start using these free templates today. Thanks for making it to the end. If this video was helpful, please do hit the like button. This will help our video reach more people on YouTube. And if you're new to this channel, please do click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time we release a new video. And what do you want us to cover in the next video? Let us know in the comments below. Now go and kill it on Instagram. This is Jag signing off from Picmaker's YouTube channel. Happy designing!